Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to program Optimum Remote to your TV. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So, step to program the Optimum Remote to your TV. First of all, make sure your TV is on, and then press and hold the TV and select button on your remote until home blink twice. Press TV button to program for TV, and then aim remote at TV and enter brand code. Example like 1 for Insignia and 2 for LG and 3 for Panasonic and 4 for Philips, and like 1 to 9 you can see, and 0 which for which. Okay, and then release the code when TV is turned off, and after that press the TV button to finalize the programming. Okay, so this is the sixth step you can use to programming Optimum Remote to your TV. Okay, so this is the all step guys. Thanks guys, having nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.